Hi, my name's John, and today we're going to do another episode in our Gate2DG series. I'm going to show you how to program a key fob transmitter into the system without opening the control panel up. So this is how you would remotely add a key fob transmitter. So here we have three transmitters supplied by SEA UK. First we have the head transmitter, which cannot be programmed remotely, so we'll remove those for now. Next we have the smart Ecopy transmitters, and these can be programmed from anywhere. You don't have to be on site to program these transmitters together, but you do need an old transmitter and a new transmitter. The Ecopy transmitter is also compatible with the old smart dip switch transmitters, and the only difference is the red button on the dip switch transmitter is blue. So if you see a transmitter that looks like this, it has a blue button and two grey buttons, or a single grey button, that's the dip switch transmitter. That's compatible with the Ecopy transmitter. Finally, we have the Ladybird rolling code transmitter. This transmitter must be programmed on site next to the gate, and again you'll need an old transmitter and a new transmitter to program this system. So with the Ecopy transmitter, you have to start with the new transmitter that you want to add onto the system. And what you do is you press the red button and the grey button just beneath it. And if you push and hold these buttons down, the LED light will start to flash, slowly at first, and then rapidly. Now you can take your fingers off the buttons and select the button you want to use to activate the gate. So I'm going to push the red button here. Now, take the old transmitter that's already working and push the button that's currently being used to activate the gate. Hold the two transmitters together, and if you push the button down, you'll see it flashes twice on the new transmitter, and that's us sending the code from this transmitter to the new transmitter. Now let's look at programming for the Ladybird transmitter. So here we have the old transmitter and the new transmitter. And unlike the smart transmitters, we're going to start with the old transmitter. What you'll need to do is find a paper clip or a pin. So I have my paper clip here. Open it out. And if I just take the old transmitter and show you here, you can see there's a small hole on one side of this transmitter. The other side you've got a couple more holes there. So you're looking for just the single hole on its own. And what you do is insert the pin and push the hidden button inside, and the LED light comes on. This sends a signal to the control panel, and it puts the control panel receiver into learn mode, ready to accept the programming of a new transmitter. So let's do that again. We insert the pin, the light comes on. We press the button that we're currently using to activate the gate, and then on the new transmitter we push the button that we want to use in future to activate the gate. And it's that simple. So insert pin, push the button you're currently using to activate the gate, and then push the button you want to use to activate the gate on the new transmitter that you're adding to the system. One thing you may have noticed is that the old transmitter here has a kind of metallic-y finish to it, and the new transmitters have a sort of a glossy finish. What you may find if you come to a site that has old transmitters and you need to add some new transmitters to it is that the old transmitter works in a different mode to the new transmitters. To change the new transmitters into the same mode as the old transmitters, what you'll need to do is push and hold the two black buttons, and after a few moments you'll see the LED light start to flash, either in pulses of 1 or pulses of 2. And there we go. So if you have problems programming this transmitter into an old system where you have these old transmitters, try changing the mode and you should find that the system will start working as we've shown here. Our next video is going to cover the special menu on the Gate2DG, and we're going to look at pause time, slow down time. We're going to look at what the auxiliary feature does, how to change how the photocells work, how to change how the safety edges work, these sorts of things. So we're going to delve into more detail there. If there's any content or if there's anything that you want us to cover in more detail, leave a comment in the comments section and we'll produce a video for it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.